Hi friends! Create smooth eye-catching motion with this Wavy gradient typography tutorial in After Effects. Create a new comp, name it Animation. Let's add a text layer and animate its scale and opacity. Now, add this expression to the scale property like here. Create a new adjustment layer. Then add an optics compensation effect. Reverse the lens distortion and animate field of view. Pre-compose everything and name the pre-comp text. Do you want to elevate your video editing game? Find all you need on Easy Edit Stock. Templates, text effects, presets. Discover a world of versatile assets for your next video. Create a new shape layer. Name it BG. Create a new star shape, name it Shape Main. Then add one point to make it symmetrical. Add a gradient. Add this expression to the rotation property. Add a fast box blur. Then add a wave warp. Duplicate the wave warp and modify its settings. Select the text pre-comp and add the displacement map effect. Duplicate the shape main layer, rename it to the shape shading. Place it above the text. Set the opacity to 30. Finally, let's add some grain. Create a new adjustment layer. Add noise, HLS. Set the parameters and add this expression to noise phase. Animate the opacity. Your wavy gradient is ready.
If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.